guys, welcome back to another video. So today on the channel I am just going to be showing you my drinking bird. So yeah, I am going to be showing you my drinking bird. So this is my drinking bird. And so mostly there's this liquid in here that if you heat up, like my fingers are quite hot, it will rise. Can you see it rising? So yeah, you keep it warm, it will start rising. But and then it will start going down. You don't hit it up, and then if you get hot up to the top, it will be like this, and it will go like this. But you can do this because it won't work, because it's a really special thing. So yeah, that's my drinking bird. So yeah, that's my drinking. And that's my drinking bird. So yeah, see you guys in next time in another video. Hope you liked the drinking bird video. So see you guys next time in another video.